英語学習に重要なのは、品質のフレーズを丸暗記することです。それにより、本当に重要な単語にだけ集中できます。この動画は、基礎練トレーニング。
The flight was delayed due to the fact that there was a heavy storm. The flight was delayed due to the fact that there was a heavy storm.
The flight was delayed due to the fact that there was a heavy storm.
He resigned due to the fact that he wanted to start his own business. He resigned due to the fact that he wanted to start his own business.
He resigned due to the fact that he wanted to start his own business.
The meeting was cancelled due to the fact that the manager was ill. The meeting was cancelled due to the fact that the manager was ill.
The meeting was cancelled due to the fact that the manager was ill.
The project was a success due to the fact that everyone worked hard. The project was a success due to the fact that everyone worked hard.
The project was a success due to the fact that everyone worked hard.
I was late due to the fact that the train broke down. I was late due to the fact that the train broke down.
I was late due to the fact that the train broke down.
The park is closed due to the fact that it is undergoing repairs. The park is closed due to the fact that it is undergoing repairs.
The park is closed due to the fact that it is undergoing repairs.
Prices are rising due to the fact that the cost of oil has increased. Prices are rising due to the fact that the cost of oil has increased.
Prices are rising due to the fact that the cost of oil has increased.
The game was moved indoors due to the fact that it was raining. The game was moved indoors due to the fact that it was raining.
The game was moved indoors due to the fact that it was raining.
The company lost money due to the fact that sales were low. The company lost money due to the fact that sales were low.
The company lost money due to the fact that sales were low.
She feels tired due to the fact that she didn't sleep well. She feels tired due to the fact that she didn't sleep well.
She feels tired due to the fact that she didn't sleep well.
The system crashed due to the fact that there was a bug in the code. The system crashed due to the fact that there was a bug in the code.
The system crashed due to the fact that there was a bug in the code.
We chose this location due to the fact that it is near the station. We chose this location due to the fact that it is near the station.
We chose this location due to the fact that it is near the station.
The river is polluted due to the fact that waste was dumped into it. The river is polluted due to the fact that waste was dumped into it.
The river is polluted due to the fact that waste was dumped into it.
There was a long line due to the fact that it was a holiday. There was a long line due to the fact that it was a holiday.
There was a long line due to the fact that it was a holiday.
They had a fight due to the fact that there was a misunderstanding. They had a fight due to the fact that there was a misunderstanding.
They had a fight due to the fact that there was a misunderstanding.
The restaurant is popular due to the fact that the food is excellent. The restaurant is popular due to the fact that the food is excellent.
The restaurant is popular due to the fact that the food is excellent.
My English has improved due to the fact that I practice every day. My English has improved due to the fact that I practice every day.
My English has improved due to the fact that I practice every day.
The road is blocked due to the fact that construction is underway. The road is blocked due to the fact that construction is underway.
The road is blocked due to the fact that construction is underway.
The stock price dropped due to the fact that investors were worried. The stock price dropped due to the fact that investors were worried.
The stock price dropped due to the fact that investors were worried.
I bought this car due to the fact that it is fuel efficient. I bought this car due to the fact that it is fuel efficient.
I bought this car due to the fact that it is fuel efficient.
He was promoted due to the fact that he exceeded his targets. He was promoted due to the fact that he exceeded his targets.
He was promoted due to the fact that he exceeded his targets.
The room is cold due to the fact that the heater is broken. The room is cold due to the fact that the heater is broken.
The room is cold due to the fact that the heater is broken.
The app is easy to use due to the fact that the interface is simple. The app is easy to use due to the fact that the interface is simple.
The app is easy to use due to the fact that the interface is simple.
We reached an agreement due to the fact that both sides compromised. We reached an agreement due to the fact that both sides compromised.
We reached an agreement due to the fact that both sides compromised.
They moved to the city due to the fact that they wanted more opportunities. They moved to the city due to the fact that they wanted more opportunities.
They moved to the city due to the fact that they wanted more opportunities.
The game was cancelled due to the fact that it was raining heavily. The game was cancelled due to the fact that it was raining heavily.
The game was cancelled due to the fact that it was raining heavily.
We were late due to the fact that there was a traffic jam. We were late due to the fact that there was a traffic jam.
We were late due to the fact that there was a traffic jam.
He stayed home due to the fact that he was sick. He stayed home due to the fact that he was sick.
He stayed home due to the fact that he was sick.
We cancelled the project due to the fact that we ran out of budget. We cancelled the project due to the fact that we ran out of budget.
We cancelled the project due to the fact that we ran out of budget.
Prices rose due to the fact that demand increased. Prices rose due to the fact that demand increased.
Prices rose due to the fact that demand increased.
I couldn't finish due to the fact that I ran out of time. I couldn't finish due to the fact that I ran out of time.
I couldn't finish due to the fact that I ran out of time.
The shop closed due to the fact that business was slow. The shop closed due to the fact that business was slow.
The shop closed due to the fact that business was slow.
She accepted the offer due to the fact that the salary was high. She accepted the offer due to the fact that the salary was high.
She accepted the offer due to the fact that the salary was high.
The event was postponed due to the fact that there was an outbreak. The event was postponed due to the fact that there was an outbreak.
The event was postponed due to the fact that there was an outbreak.
He got the job due to the fact that he had relevant experience. He got the job due to the fact that he had relevant experience.
He got the job due to the fact that he had relevant experience.
The plan failed due to the fact that we didn't prepare enough. The plan failed due to the fact that we didn't prepare enough.
The plan failed due to the fact that we didn't prepare enough.
I went to bed early due to the fact that I was tired. I went to bed early due to the fact that I was tired.
I went to bed early due to the fact that I was tired.
Communication was difficult due to the fact that we spoke different languages. Communication was difficult due to the fact that we spoke different languages.
Communication was difficult due to the fact that we spoke different languages.
We don't visit often due to the fact that we live far away. We don't visit often due to the fact that we live far away.
We don't visit often due to the fact that we live far away.
The product was recalled due to the fact that it had a defect. The product was recalled due to the fact that it had a defect.
The product was recalled due to the fact that it had a defect.
今日もお疲れ様でした。一区切りついたら、温かい一杯を。